Welcome back to the channel, guys. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, we got a new build. It's a 2000 Dodge Viper. So in this video, we're gonna have a few clips of it when it first shows up and a little walk around breakdown of the car. We're gonna go ahead and start working on it. It's gonna be at the frame shop. So hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned.
It's inside, right?
Okay.
All right.
This line is broken. Before action, you see? It's glue. It's before action. It's glue. Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Before. It's fixed. It's going to action.
All right, I'm gonna open the garage.
Okay, get it. Give me this money. I got.
All right, let's get out of here. There she is. Isn't she beautiful? Just a little peek. Keep my baby clean. Alright, on my way to Buffalo to pick up a passenger headlight. These parts are very rare, so I gotta get one from whoever's selling it. This guy wants 200, but I'm gonna try to get it for 1. Hopefully I don't get shot. 3 hours away from here. I told him I could make it there in 1. I should have brought the bike, but here's my ride for the trip. I'm just kidding, I'm taking my mom's Camry. All right, let's get out of here.
So while Gary went to Buffalo to get that passenger side headlight, the car was delivered to the frame shop and the hood and a few suspension parts as well as cooling stuff got taken off. I was going around taking a look at it. The interior looks pretty good. The driver's side airbag was blown. The mileage is about 39,000. So I'll be going around the car and doing a little bit of a walk around, seeing if there's any other hidden damage. Had some front end damage, tried to get some pics before. So there's already some framework being done. Our buddy Nestor out here, our best guy in town, to take our framework. So he makes the impossible happen. Rails don't look too bad, honestly. All the structural components look really good. You know, they didn't go too much. I'm pretty sure, yeah, that everything here is pretty straight. But there's a lot of components that go on this hood to make it open, close, and do a lot of stuff. So he's custom fabricating some parts, some brackets. Here's an example. This looks like this came off this car. So this piece got mangled. So this is gonna be some fabrication work using some parts off a donor car. So I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated with this build. Super sweet car, you know, Vipers are going up in value. Looks like on that side, it was this part right here, this point, that was kind of damaged. So a little piece of a front clip for these cars, just a little piece of a clip is about $2,500. So you guys can imagine, any way you can either find the part cheaper or make the part cheaper is the way to go. It's a nice red color, definitely needs a little update on the wheels. Front end damage kind of pushed the front end like down a little bit, but not too bad, nothing too crazy. All these panels are fiberglass. Mileage 31,000. The main damage is to the front end, so we're gonna give him anything he needs to get it off the frame rack, and most of the parts he can make himself. I'm gonna try to come every now and then. I wish I got it when it was first disassembled, but as you can see, some of these mounts cut off and they're gonna be fitted to where they should be. Tack welded up, made sure everything's in spec and aligned, and then we're gonna go from there. Motor runs good. It's the man. Here's that hood. Not too bad, honestly. Needs a little bit of work right there, but it's not too bad. This thing is a pricey part.
Is this ball joint bad, you think?
No. That's clean. So that end you have to, okay, I see, good.
Yeah, the end has to be tapered. This will be the end piece that'll go on there, just like the other side. I saved that.
Oh, I need to take pictures of this wheel. Actually, not pictures. See if those wheels are bent too.
I don't think they are, bro. That's where the passenger got hit. Taking that wheel to get it repaired. This one looks good. Yeah, this one looks fine. Yeah, back looks fine too. All right, see you, Nestor. Later, Matt. Gary Obajwa, Majwa Fajwa. Woo! I don't know what setting I got this.
My car.
Dang, bro, you strong, dog.
Wait.
Yo, put that on your head. Put it on your head.
That's gonna get dirty. That's made from real ostrich feathers.
Real ostrich feathers?
Yeah. Will he be home, I'm saying?
Yeah, I think so.
Great.
You messed up, dog. Let's go. Unlock the door, boy. Boy.
Yo. Nicest shoes out there, yo.
Alright, so we just at Nestor's, stopped by, get some progress. He got a little piece of the frame portion welded in and got the control arm, so he'll be able to do a little bit more
Yo,
work
if anybody
on it.
trying to buy a 05 Honda Accord right here, 4 grand.
This dude Gary.
Only got 115,000 miles. Nice car, nice car.
Nice car, nice car. Except
sell
it can't go through Taco Bell drive-thrus.
Okay, you didn't have to tell him that.
So anyways, we're gonna keep getting the progress of the car. I'm gonna try to swing by when he's welding everything and then putting suspension back on and hopefully getting it off the alignment rack. So stay tuned.
What was that?
Man, it is coming down. I don't know if you can tell, but it looks pretty beautiful. I just shoved the whole driveway. And up there is a huge like patch. Oh, it looks pretty dope. My name is Indian Gary. I'm here and oh my gosh, my voice is like so deep. So we're here at Quest Rim, about to pick up the Viper wheel that they fixed. Hopefully they're cool with me recording. If not, who cares? Good, how you doing? Video, dude. Gary loves ruining my videos. Shout out Quest Rim. Thanks, man. You too.
Yeah, no problem. 189 bucks, not bad. A new wheel would have costed probably.
Close.
If I look for one off like Facebook groups, Craigslist, it probably would have costed roughly the same amount. Maybe a little bit more.
A little bit more. Plus you have to
Plus,
unmount a tire. Then you have to mount a tire and balance it. So we're against. We need time is money. Time is money. Got it done. Get it done. Let's go. We're off to Nestor's so he can use the wheel to get the car off the frame machine.
Nestor has a brother named Chester.
Nestor has a brother named Chester, Gary said. I got engaged yesterday. I'm over here filming, so stay tuned.
Dude, I have an idea. When we go to Nestor's today, let's just call him Chester the whole time and see if he notices. Alright?
Okay, fine.
The whole time, not even...
Oh, it's gonna be so hard to do. Hey, Chester. Hey, Chester, how's it going?
We'll call him Lester.
Yo, check that out, though. They really done made a truck out of a stone.
Maybe it just drove
Should I go see if
and then it turned into stone because it happened like
That's
thousands
so
of years ago.
true. The truck probably came through down that end and then almost got through and got stuck.
This is like back when like the cavemen used to run the country.
Hey, dude.
This truck has been here since like 2000 BC.
Am I gonna get copyrighted for this?
Either way,
Made it to Chester's. Yo, don't forget, dude. Hopefully I'm at 34%. Make sure he doesn't hear us, dude. Let's go.
Every time.
Every time. Dodge the puddle, good job.
You think she'll fit?
Yeah, it's clean.
Oh, she's not gonna fit from over there. You open the damn door.
I'm gonna put some nice Indian beats. Oh, hail, Viper wheel. What's up, Chester? How's it going?
Radiator support.
Coming along. Tire just has to go on there. Radiator, condenser, and some front end pieces. And the hood can start getting aligned. So that's a wrap, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We got a good amount of framework done, suspension put on the car as well. Next episode, we're gonna continue doing the last minute buttoning up. The car also is gonna need a new clutch, we found out, so stay tuned for that. And then it's gonna be off to the body shop. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you wanna see the rest of the parts. And I hope everyone's being safe and healthy out there. God bless, don't stress.